Onetouch. In this video, I'll show you how to add user and how to delete user in Ot630 digital door lock. For that, press double hash, verify your admin password, hash. Now to add user, press 1, enter 2-digit ID, 2, hash. I'm adding another finger as user. Now I'm adding pin in user, hash, re-enter again. Pin and finger has been added. Now so both the access methods are added. Now I'll delete these two access methods. Press double hash, verify your admin password, hash, press 2, enter the ID number, hash. Here you can delete the each access method separately. So for one, I am deleting one for his finger. So I am deleting my finger. Finger has been deleted. And to delete pin, press 2. Pin has been also deleted. Now this finger has been deleted, so it will not unlock. So if I try, it will not verify my finger. Now I will try with pin. It will not verify because it is deleted now. And now when I use the user pin, it is showing red because it is deleted. It will not accept and register finger or pin. This is how you delete and add user.